Good evening. We are starting our lesson today about sharing ratios or sharing in a ratio. Now, let's say I gave you a ratio and an amount. Like, let's say I want you to share in a ratio some money. So if I ask you to share $840 in the ratio 2 to 3 to 1 between 3 kids or 3 people, I am asking you to share the $840 between Alan and Bob and Chris in the ratio 2 to 3 to 1. Now you have two main steps to do any type of question like this. Now, the first step is you need to add all the ratios. You add the 3 numbers in the given ratio. 2 plus 3 plus 1 equals 6. So I have 6 units or 6 parts. I need to divide this $840 into the whole 6 units or 6 parts. The second step is divide. You say $840 divided by 6. The whole amount of money divided by the amount of parts or the amount of units shared in. So when you say 840 divided by 6, you will get an answer of $140, which means each one unit will get 140. So the third step depends on your question or in your given it depends on your given ratios. Now for the first person who will get 2 parts or 2 units, each unit is 140, so you can say 140 plus 140 or 2 times 140. You will get $280. This is the first for the first person. Second person will get 3 parts multiplied by 1 share or 1 part. So 3 times 140, you'll get $420. And the third person, you will multiply 1 by 140, which is $140. It stays the same. Of course, you can delete this step. Now, you need to tell me how much will each one of these people get according to his ratio. So the ratio was 2 to 3 to 1. When I share the 840, I will get the person with the 2 ratio will get 280. The person with the 3 will get 420. And the person with the 1 ratio will get 140. This will be your answer after doing all 3 steps. I hope that was clear. This is the simplest and easiest way to share in a ratio. Now let's do a question that's found in your course book in page 143. Question 1. I want you to share $90 in the ratio 1 to 2 to 3. This is question 1A. Share $90 in the ratio 1 to 2 to 3. In order for you to share this ratio, you have to follow the same steps. Step 1 will add all the ratios. 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. Step 2, you will divide the given amount of money, which is 90, divided by 6, divided by all the numbers of the ratios, or the total number of parts. So when you say 90 divided by 6, you'll get 15. 3, you will need to find how much each one will get. The person with 1, the ratio of 1 or 1 part will get 15. The person with 2 will get 30. So we multiply the amount of shares times 15 times 1 unit. The person with the 3 shares by 1 unit will get 45. Now we need to write it as a ratio. The original ratio was 1 to 2 to 3. When we share it, the person with the 1, he's getting 15. And the person with the 2, he's getting 30. And the person with the 3 shares is getting 45. Of course, your final answer can be written as this, not like as a ratio. You can say the person with the 2 will get 15, the person with the 3 will get 45, the person with 1 will get 15. You don't have to write the ratio in this form. But if I am assigning names to each one, if I said this guy is called Andy and he's getting 1 share, and Beth is getting 2 shares, and Charlie is getting 3 shares, you can say Beth will get $30, Charlie will get 45, Andy will get 15. That could also be a suitable answer if you don't want to write it as number of ratios. Of course, the final step is you have to add all 3 ratios. You add 15 plus 30, 45, plus 45 will give you the original amount, which is 90. I hope that was clear. This is the second lesson, which is sharing in a ratio, found in your course book, page 143. For any questions, please leave a comment down below or contact me. Thank you.